we're going to be making Christmas tree earrings featuring our rondelle faceted glass beads in various sizes, as well as a couple other components. You've got your standard plier set, round nose, flat, and wire cutters. First, we're going to start with our ball head pin. We're going to be using this to hold the structure of the tree. First, place your brown bead on the bottom as your trunk base, and then go ahead and build the beads up from the largest bead to the smallest bead. This will give you the shape of your tree. It's pretty easy to hold if you use the square bead. And now we're just going to add the final piece of the tree here. Now we've completed the tree, we can add a stardust bead at the top, like our tree topper. Voila! There is our Christmas tree. We're pretty much done at this point. Now all we have to do is trim the wire down to create a loop closure at the top. This will hold your beads onto your ear wire. You can get better with trimming the length of the wire as you practice. Sometimes you may need to do it twice. Now we're going to simply create the loop closure by using the round nose pliers. Then after you've done that, you can connect the Christmas tree to your ear wire. We've got it open using the pliers, and now we will simply close it the same way that we opened it, gently and securely closing the loop. Now we've got our final Christmas tree earring pair. We thank you so much for watching.